Not all toilets are created equal. While Upflush and traditional toilets both serve the same purpose, the way they work and their benefits differ significantly. In today's video, we'll help you choose which one is the best fit for your home. What is an Upflush toilet? An Upflush toilet is a clever solution for homes where traditional plumbing just doesn't work. It uses a macerator and pump to move waste upwards or through smaller pipes, which means it can be installed in places like basements, attics, or spaces without existing plumbing. The macerator shreds waste before it's pumped through narrow pipes to the main sewer line, making it ideal for tricky setups that would otherwise need major plumbing changes. What is a traditional toilet? Traditional toilets rely on gravity to move waste downward through large pipes. When you flush, water flows from the bowl, carrying waste to your septic system or sewer line. This type of toilet is a staple in most homes because it's straightforward, cost-effective, and reliable, requiring proper plumbing with a slight slope to allow waste to flow efficiently. Key differences between Upflush and traditional toilets. Installation requirements. Upflush toilets can be installed in almost any space, even those without access to traditional plumbing, thanks to their small pipes and a power supply for the macerator. This makes them a fantastic option for basements or rooms where regular toilets would require extensive plumbing work. Traditional toilets, on the other hand, need a proper slope and larger pipes, so they're best for areas with existing plumbing systems. Cost consideration. Upflush toilets come with a higher initial cost due to the macerator and pump system, but they could save you money in the long run if major plumbing work is needed. They're often a cheaper alternative to a full-scale renovation. Traditional toilets are less expensive upfront, but could end up being more costly if extensive plumbing work is required, especially in areas that aren't pre-plumbed. Performance and efficiency. Upflush toilets are more maintenance-intensive, particularly in terms of cleaning the macerator pump, and they depend on electricity to work, meaning a power outage could render them useless. Traditional toilets, on the other hand, are incredibly low maintenance, rely on no power, and keep running smoothly even when the lights go out. They're built for reliable, everyday performance. Space and design consideration. Upflush toilets are typically more compact and can fit in small or oddly shaped spaces, making them a great choice for tight bathrooms or unconventional areas. Traditional toilets, however, are larger and better suited for standard bathrooms, where space isn't a limitation. Pros and cons of Upflush toilets. Pros. Upflush toilets are perfect for areas with no pre-existing plumbing, like basements or remote cabins, and they're much less invasive than tearing up floors for a traditional installation. The compact design also works well for small bathrooms where every inch counts. Cons. However, they come with a few downsides. The initial cost is higher due to the specialized equipment, and since they rely on electricity, a power outage could make your toilet inoperable. Additionally, the macerator can be noisy, and regular maintenance is a must to keep it running smoothly. Pros and cons of traditional toilets. Pros. Traditional toilets are dependable, long-lasting, and require little maintenance. They don't depend on electricity, which makes them a great option for areas where power interruptions are common. Their established technology makes repairs and replacements easier, and they're typically less expensive upfront than Upflush toilets. Cons. The main downside is that they need to be installed where plumbing is already available and the floor has the right slope. If you want to install one in a non-traditional space, the cost of plumbing renovations can be quite high. They're also larger, so they may not fit into smaller or unconventional bathroom designs. Which toilet is right for you? When to choose an Upflush toilet? Upflush toilets are ideal if you're working with a difficult space like a basement or an attic, or if you want to add a bathroom in an area where running traditional plumbing would be a hassle or expensive. They're also a great option if you're renovating and want to avoid extensive plumbing work, or if you're setting up a bathroom in a remote location like a cabin. When to choose a traditional toilet? If you have easy access to plumbing and your bathroom is already sloped correctly, a traditional toilet is probably your best bet. They're less expensive to install, more durable, and require far less upkeep. Plus, they'll run smoothly without the need for electricity. Final consideration. Choosing the right toilet comes down to your space, plumbing options, and budget. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to speak with a plumber who can help you make an informed decision. In conclusion, Upflush toilets are a great solution for tricky spaces where traditional plumbing isn't an option, while traditional toilets are perfect for standard setups. Choose the one that fits your needs best. Fits.